Okay, this is a special edition
Okay.
of the Pancake
Party.
Brigade at our house instead of at Omar's house.
Yana,
Yana,
Huckleberry,
Huckleberry,
and Josie.
Josie. All right.
Okay. Yana,
Yana, Bana,
Barney,
Barney,
Huckleberry,
Huckleberry, Josie.
Josie. Now, don't take it out of her
Yana, no,
mouth.
no.
Barney,
Barney. Did you forget Yana?
Yana.
Yana.
Well, she's trying to take everybody else's.
Well,
Huckleberry, and Josie.
Josie.
All right.
All
Yana,
right. Yana.
Barney,
Go, Barney, go.
Huckleberry,
Go, Huck.
and Josie.
You're on. Josie, you got to work on that.
Yana,
Yana,
Barney,
Barney,
Huckleberry.
go, Huck. Come on, Josie.
Whoops.
Whoop.
Dropped
Oh,
it.
Yana got that.
Josie.
But that was community property.
Okay. Yana,
Yana.
Barney. I'm glad you're standing for this, Barney.
You see?
Kind
You
of.
said that and he laid down. Look at that.
Josie.
Yana.
No, Yana. It's Yana.
See, as soon as you said that, he's
Barney.
like, oh yeah. Why am I standing up? I was
Huckleberry.
lay down.
And Josie. Can't believe I have just enough.
Okay, one more, guys. That's all.
Yana,
Everybody gets one more.
Barney,
Good job, Barney.
Huckleberry,
All right.
and
Okay,
Josie.
that's all, babies.
That's all.
That's
all
all. There's
gone.
not any more.
All gone.
That's all. Good job, babies. Good job. Don't trip Omar.
Yeah, why don't you sit up?